Oh, today I am riding in a special motorcycle. It is not my vehicle. Oh, let me show it to you.
They call me OG, original gangster.
So, we got an OG today. We got the old Himalayan. So, this is my cousin's bike. So, yeah, I'm going to be riding on this for a few days now. I'll see how I feel. I'll also share it with you. I wanted to ride this badly because nowadays going to office in my Guerrilla, which has that stiff suspension and these bad roads, are very pain in the ass. So thought of switching it. Today is actually my second day of riding this. Yesterday I had gone to office. I had even... Ooh, what was that? It was slippery. So yesterday I had gone to office. I had recorded also, but what happened is my action cam's battery got drained up.
Oh my god.
And it did not capture the complete thing, and as well as my mic setup, same with that. The setup got broken halfway, so I could only get a raw video and raw audio of around 18 minutes. So yeah, had to start all over.
A few minutes later.
I mean, this feels very good to drive. The comfort is next level in this. You can easily bounce around. You couldn't have done that in my Gorilla.
Nope.
It was very stiff suspension, and you can feel it, like your ass is moving all around the place.
Know what to do with that big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I don't know what, but is it the seating ergonomics, the seat itself, and the suspension too? It is complementing each other very well.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And yesterday I felt one more thing, that in my bike, whenever I'm like, anyhow, when I'm going to the office, it's a fresh start of the day, and it's early in the morning, there is less traffic, so it doesn't feel that much stressed or too much strain to my body or mind. But when I'm coming back, it feels so stressed. I feel so frustrated sometimes because of the traffic and especially the roads. Yeah, but yesterday when I was coming back on this, it did not feel that stressed because of the comfort. I feel. The signal is open. Can I make it? The speed breakers doesn't allow me to. Can I make it or not? Can I make it or not? Come on up. You. Well, this is life, guys. This is life.
Okay.
Not a care in the world. Not a care in the world. Signal Q. Who are you, bro? Same as these two. Same.
Same, but different.
Coming from a wrong lane, he would have passed. He would have gone. Oh, he went. Anyway, he did. Who cares? It's morning and there's no traffic. I'm not following any rules. At least basic traffic signals. No.
My life, my rules, my style, my.
Well, that was embarrassing. I don't know, the idle of this bike is little low compared to my bike. So need to get used to that. An line, come on. I like that car.
5 minutes later.
We need to saddle it to not feel it like completely gonna stand up. You cannot just expect that I'll sit when I'm entering a pothole and it should feel, it should not feel anything. That won't happen. You should just lift up your bum little bit. See, like that.
Just that.
Should have put the damn indicator first. How would I know that you would go left?